Welcome to the Napa Valley, everyone. Is this an amazing retreat or what?
I know I'm moving through life like it's a runway. I'ma live life in style and paint this life like a masterpiece. There's no bringing us down, and we don't know what tomorrow holds, so we gon' live right now.
Our theme this year is F1. We're gonna move fast all throughout the weekend, and we're gonna start right now. Give me one word that describes the last 12 months at Fennemore.
Excellence.
Excellence, all right, I like that.
Fun.
I love it, fun. Fast, all right, right on brand, right on theme, I like it.
Very successful.
Successful, all right.
Yeah, I'm on the way right now. Nothing could ever bring me down.
My word this year is accelerating. As we look ahead through the twists and turns of the legal world, we see some caution signs ahead. So how do we respond to this? Move as one. We will move as one, as a team. At the end of the day, it's not the car, it's not the driver that wins, it's the team.
My life and they say, oh,